Hello crew, waiting for my GPS to figure out where the heck I am, and suiting up my armor, and I forgot my shoes. Oh hell. Okay, I'm back. Had to go get my shoes, had my house slippers on. Shows you how casual I am about this stuff. Gonna go out for a short jaunt today because it's, I don't know, I'm showing 79 degrees. I don't believe that, but I don't see any wind. That might be really nice to not have any wind. This is about the only time of year that we have wind around here. Okay, here comes the really exciting part where I go down the ramp. Only thing more exciting than that is going up the ramp. All you really got to do here is make sure the bike don't fall over on you while you're doing this real slow stuff, which is you gotta make the kickstand clear. Then from then on, it's just kind of a ride it down the rail kind of thing. Eventually you gotta just let go of the brake and go, like now. Now that all looks very easy, but it scares the crap out of me every time I do it. Okay, I got my hat on. I assume my key will acknowledge that I'm here, and it does. I got 4 squares of gas out of about 6, so that ought to be plenty. Put my face shield down. Wish you could see all that. Camera looks a little low. I'm gonna bring it up a little. Tighten her down real good. Check mirrors. See if everything's good. And just go ride around a little bit today. First gear. I'm down here getting the shade. This slope right here coming down off my yard is not near as exciting as it is 20 feet back. Hi, puppy. What you doing, puppy? Car coming. I hate to go out there when there's a car coming. There's no cars behind me, so let's go do it. Let's go through the scenic route. Yeah, this is my little neighborhood. And all these $200,000 houses around my $30,000 house. And the closer they get to my yard building these things, the more appreciation my house is up to about $120,000 now, and it ain't worth $120,000. But I guarantee you, if I put it on the market, I'd sell it in a couple of days. Just amazing. There are no houses available around here. And this is technically a bedroom community, really, nowadays. 30 miles from Tulsa. If you were in Houston, 30 miles would be nothing. And it's all interstate. So you couldn't ask for better. Some of these are real nice. This one right here, I'll show you. This is my favorite house. If I owned a house in Bristow, I'd want this house. It's right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. See, it's got that porch overhang there, driveway. Shoot, you could put 4 or 5 cars underneath that roof. It has this huge fireplace stacked there with old Oklahoma rock, you know. And this thing, we'll drive around it. Can we drive around it? Maybe not. Yeah, I think we can. I'll show you it's all on this block by itself. Yeah, we can't get around it. Now, the guy that bought it recently has kind of ruined it, I think, for Bristow. I'll show you. He put a big old fence around the backyard. Didn't used to be a fence there. Yeah. But that's what this side of that house looks like. Yeah, if I wanted a house in Bristow, I'd want that house. Okay, we don't make a big deal about stop signs around here. You ought to see my 4-way stop at my corner. When the kids let out school, some of them don't even pretend to stop. Like I did that one there. But let's see, this is just one of the ways I go around the lake. It is nice out here. The temperature is wonderful. And this is what I like to do. We used to have a snowmobile, 30 below temperatures in North Dakota, and go out and just putt around like I do with this thing. And the same way when I had my jet ski, go out on the lake and do 45 miles an hour all day long. My whole life has been 45 mile an hour entertainment. Gotta get up this hill. The third gear. Oh, now we get wind all of a sudden. think has an air tag nowadays, so that I'll know if he leaves the house. But what it's really telling me is when I leave the house without him. Oh well. Screw a bunch of Nick. He was already outside and got in trouble with the neighbors. Martin and some fat girl walking down the street. He loves to tick people off. I didn't have him on his rope because it's Sunday and the dog catching up work on Sunday. And he went out and got in trouble. So he's in for the day. 74 degrees. He'd rather be laying out in the front yard. Yeah, I wish I knew how to fish. I know enough about fishing. Just too lazy to do it. Okay, we're going second gear to go on this hill. Well, that's the end of that adventure. We'll pick it up later in the next one. Thank you all for watching. We appreciate it.